help us understand how are you assessing the market currently? You know, last week we of course climbed to fresh record high levels. How are you assessing? Will this momentum sustain? Are there going to be again stumbling blocks that the markets have to face? And what is it that the markets are clearly looking at as triggers that could probably propel it to a different orbit much higher from here?
Yeah, great to be on your show again, Sakshi. I think the biggest trigger for the market this week will be the visit of the US trade delegation. So if any good news comes through there, or if there are indications of an imminent trade tariff relief, the markets could really rally very strongly. What is the setup right now? We have underperformed the emerging markets by about for about 14 months by about 25%. Normally, when we underperform for such a prolonged period, the next 12 months are pretty good. So we are historically sitting on the cusp of a catch-up trade in India. What will be the catalyst for that? There could be two things which are visible right now. One is, of course, some relief on the US trade side. Second would be the union budget. If there is a strong stimulus coming in the union budget, that will help. The RBI did the heavy lifting last week, so that is done and dusted. We are expecting another rate cut from the RBI in February because the real interest rates stay very high. Look at, say, a developed economy like Japan, where next week we are expecting a rate hike, but still that will take them to 0.5% versus an inflation of 3%. So there's a huge stimulus embedded in a major economy like Japan, whom we are competing with to overtake and become the number third, while we are paying a 5% real interest rate. So that is a very big drag on the economy. RBI is aware of it, and we expect more stimulus there. But I think we are sitting on the cusp now. Will it be a year-end rally or will it be a pre-budget rally coming in January? That we have to see. A lot will depend on the US negotiations this week.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.